Hi, I'm Daniel with Lumalux Productions, and I'm here to share with you another life good tip. Thanks to that piece of coronavirus, the CDC has recommended that everyone wear a mask when they are out in public. And that got me thinking. There are a lot of great alternatives out there to the traditional N95 mask, so I decided I wanted to share with you my tips and tricks for how to make your own mask from things that you can just find lying around the house. Number 1, remember those wasteful people who wrap their hands in ass napkins whenever they wipe their ass? That's right, Craig, I'm talking to you. Well, now that you've learned how to conserve toilet paper from my last video, you can use all of those extra tickets to wrap your own head to make a mask. Like this, let me show you. Start like this, there we go. There. See? Easy. Now, I recommend once you are done with the mask, once you're out of being in public and back at home, that you remove all of this moon floss, fairly carefully to preserve it so that you can use it next time you free the chocolate hostages. Now, this is not an excuse to start toilet paper hoarding again. If you are in danger of running out of toilet paper, try one of the following alternatives instead. Saran wrap. No, that's a bad idea. Ziploc bag. Grocery bag. Garbage bag. Nope, I've got it. Tin foil. Much better. I feel safer already. A bucket. Just like this one here. Germ-proof, virus-proof. Can't go wrong with this one. Your own shirt. A backpack. Though I recommend you make sure it's empty first. A box. Crude, but effective. Zip ties, duct tape, rope, or even bungee cords. I don't have any with me, but all of those work great for attaching things to your face to make a mask. Easy. You can always just use the tape itself as a mask. So with a little creativity and ingenuity, anything can be your mask. Don't be a and hoard N95 masks. Let's save those for the people who need them the most. For now, do your part. Cover your face with anything you can find around the house. And that is your life good tip. Oh, when all else fails, just don't breathe. You can't get sick if you're not breathing.